Now I'm going to show you how to clean the Planarizer blade. The first thing you need to do is go into Tools and then into Diagnostics. In here there's a selection for Inspect Planarizer Wiper Blade. Make that selection. The next screen that comes up asks you if you want to perform the task. So hit OK. Inside the machine, the print cartridge will move into the middle of the printer. This just makes it more accessible for you to do the things that you need to do inside the printer. You might have noticed that I wasn't using a gloved hand to touch the screen. It's really important that you don't use a glove when touching the screen, but I'm going to pop a glove on now so that I can work inside. Once the print cartridge is in the middle of the machine, you'll be able to open the lid. Inside here, there's a hood over the UV lamp. Just lift that up. When you're cleaning anything inside here, you need to use a lint-free cloth and you need to use an alcohol cleaner. In this case, I'm using an isopropyl alcohol cleaner. Pop a bit of the cleaner onto the cloth. There's a blade just here that you need to clean. So clean the blade, but also inspect it to make sure there's no imperfections or anything wrong with the blade. If there's anything wrong with the blade, it will need to be replaced. Just wipe along the blade. What you're doing is removing any stray dust that might be stuck on the blade. The next thing you want to wipe is the UV lamp, which is at the top here. The UV lamp isn't on, so you don't need to wear UV protective goggles. Just give the lamp a wipe over. Down below here, there are two prongs that need to be cleaned. They're sort of pointing in this direction. You need to clean in between the prongs. There's sensors in here, and it shows the print chamber where the home position is. So if they're clogged up with some dust, it might have difficulty finding where home is. So just wipe in between the blades on the top and on the bottom, like so. And then you can give the area a wipe over. You're trying to pick up any stray dust that's in here. Some people call it pixie dust. You might see it referred to as pixie dust because it's a bit sparkly. Just wipe over the areas. Anywhere that you see the dust. The reason why there's so much dust inside the printer is because as the printer is printing a layer, it's actually shaving the layer to make sure it's smooth for the next layer to go down. There is a vacuum that suctions out that dust, but it doesn't always pick all of the dust up, and some of it just gets lost inside the machine. So you need to give it a good wipe out to remove it. Once you've done that, just pop the hood down from the UV lamp, close the lid. And on the screen at the top here, before I touch it, I'll remove my glove. You need to select the Tools menu and then select Operator Maintenance. In here, select Planarizer Wiper Blade. Has the Planarizer Wiper Blade been inspected and cleaned? You need to select Yes. You also need to select the Print Carriage Optical Home Sensor. Has the sensor been cleaned? And you need to select Yes.